Boosting device performance. I know that we've spoken about this in previous episodes. I know I have given you some options to take to boost your drive performance, but this time around, we're going to go a bit more deeper. We're going to go more technical. I'm going to be giving you two options to perform. The first option is disk optimization. Disk optimization enhances computer speed and efficiency by defragmenting hard drives to organize data. Basically, number two option is disabling startup processes. Don't worry, they sound like I'm saying a lot of things, but trust me, I'm going to take you through how to just perform these tasks and, to just boost your drive optimization. Don't fret, I'm here for you, okay? Now, let's go and see how to do this for yourself. Option 1 is disk defragmentation. Click on the Windows key, type defragments, ensure that you are selecting or you're opening as an administrator, that is run an administrator. This opens up a window for you to optimize your drive. So you can see that mine was last trimmed 2 days ago. I did that manually. So click on optimize, click on the optimize button. This helps you optimize. So you can schedule this. Under the scheduled optimization, click on change settings. Under that scheduled optimization, click on change settings. Then you can set it to either daily, weekly, or monthly. Mine is already automatically set on weekly. So if you have more than one drives, you can select your drives. And also you can check that box that says automatically optimize new drives. So whenever you put a new drive, automatically optimizes. So click on OK and then click on close. That's it. Then for the second option, on your taskbar, right click, you'll see the task manager. Open this up. It opens up the task manager, obviously. Then on the right side, that's the tab, you'll see startup apps. This is the apps that make your system run really slow when you boot up. So what you want to do is actually you want to just disable these applications that you don't need them to boot up. You see, especially if you have this antivirus, your Chrome, your browser, some apps just want to always boot up your system and then they make it really lag. So just disable most of these things. If you are seeing Intel, avoid Intel. Intel is very important. Don't disable Intel, okay? It might be your graphics. It might be a driver for your graphics. So don't disable anything Intel, HP, don't disable those ones. So yeah, once you do this, your device should run faster than it should with the other options that I told you guys about in the previous episode. So if you enjoyed this episode, please do so to like, comment, share, follow, please. I appreciate your follows, your reposts, and just help me help you basically. So yeah, thank you for watching.